guys, it's Destiny and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about one of my favorite brands of all time. Probably a broken record when I talk about this brand, but I just love it so much, and you can probably guess what it is by now if you've seen my previous videos, but it is St. Jane. This whole video is dedicated to my love for them and their products. And I, for the first time ever, won an Instagram giveaway, and they were gracious enough to send me over their whole line. So now I kind of just have a complete set, which is awesome, and I get to try all of their products out, and honestly I have been loving every single one. So I've been trying them for a couple weeks now, and I thought this was the best time to give you guys a good review now that I'm like honestly super acclimated with all of these products. So you know what, let's just jump right in. So first off, I just want to talk about the packaging. Like, I have never seen packaging like this from a brand. I think it is so chic and so beautiful, and I know that I'm going to repurpose these containers. I don't know what for just yet, but I literally cannot even imagine just throwing this out. Like, it's gotta go to some other use somewhere, because they're just so beautiful. I love this packaging so much, and I think it is so unique. So already, even before having tried the products, 10 out of 10 on presentation. Let's just jump in. So we have the Luxury Beauty Serum in the travel size, and this is what it looks like here. And it's so chic, just everything about their packaging. This was you can tell this was very well thought out, and they put a lot of time and effort into that, and so I respect that so much. I literally just like having these products on my vanity, so also a good marketing tool, I will say. And then, so its adult or mom counterpart is the Luxury Beauty Serum. So the travel size is 150 mg of CBD, and the regular size is 500 mg of CBD. So a big boost between the two, but honestly, I have seen really no difference when I use these on my skin. I've used lots and lots of samples of the full size, and then I've used this travel size for a long time, and there's no difference. I used to use these morning and night, as my last step in my skincare routine, but now that I've realized that these are liquid gold and they are a little bit on the pricier end, I'm trying to incorporate them into my routine a little bit more efficiently. So what I really like to do now with the beauty serum is I like to add it to my YTTP Youth to the People moisturizer, and I think it's the Adaptogen Moisture Cream, or to my Earthen Peptide Moisture Cream. I think those two moisturizers work super well with the beauty serum and give me that nice finish and glow that I absolutely love to see when I go to bed or when I'm running out the house. All of it. Your girl likes to be dewy, and this makes a girl dewy. Even with all of that aside, it's just such a good product for your skin. There are so many botanicals in here. Like I said, there's full spectrum CBD in here. When the CBD trend came about, a lot of companies popped up throwing CBD into things, and if you look deeper into it, they're using hemp seed oil, and it's not actually full spectrum CBD. So you're paying for a markup, but you're not getting what you're paying for necessarily, and that's not it, chief. But St. Jane is true to their word. They put full spectrum CBD in here. You really get the effects that they're claiming that you'll get, and it's remarkable, and I love it, and I will always recommend this beauty serum to anyone who wants to just dip their toes into the CBD trend and see what it's all about and see if it's for them. This This 100% will be my number one product that I recommend for a long time. Then the next thing that they sent me over was their luxury body serum. And let me tell you, like, I like to come out of the shower and just go put my moisturizer on, put my clothes on, get on with my day. I was never sort of like a two-step moisturizing girl. Not anymore. They have convinced me to incorporate a body serum into my routine. Also convinced me to take longer getting dressed, which Wynn's probably not happy about. But hold up, because he will never admit this, but he likes to use it too. I have seen him on plenty of nights. I'm like, what are you doing? He's like, oh, I just need to put this on my skin. And he's literally lathering up in this body serum. So this is what the bottle looks like. Again, like, the continuity in their packaging is amazing and makes the whole line look phenomenal. The body serum has 200 mgs of CBD in it, but it also has, I think, 28 like botanicals that are omega rich. So it's just really nourishing and great for your skin. And when I say botanicals, I mean like grapeseed oil, I mean sunflower seed oil, I mean jojoba seed oil, I mean like shea butter. Like, these ingredients are all running right throughout each product in their collection, and I absolutely love that. So you don't get a single product that doesn't have some nourishing ingredients that are amazing for your skin. And I think that what they did really well was they tailored the face oil to your face and the body oil to the rest of your skin, because yeah, you could probably use the face oil on your body, but it's made with more delicate skin in mind, and the skin on your face and the skin on the rest of your body are so completely different. So they really catered to where the product was going to be applied, and they really kept that in mind and made two honestly phenomenal products, one for your skin and one for your face. The face oil or beauty serum is a dropper, and they say just about one dropper full of this is good, and so that's a good benchmark to use. And then the beauty serum is in a nice little pump, so you can pump it directly onto your skin, or you can pump it into your hands and rub it on. What I like to do is I hop out of the shower, I dry off still, but I actually leave my skin a little bit damp. I put on the body serum, rub that in. It's like citrusy, like vanilla-y, earthy. I don't know, I'm not doing well with these adjectives here to describe this, but I instantly feel calm and I feel relaxed, and I'm like, okay, I'm ready either to go to bed or I'm ready for my day, whatever it is. And then so after I pump this into my hands or pump it on directly onto my skin, then I just go over it with my normal body butter, and it honestly feels great. I didn't like body serums before because I thought two things. I thought they would be an extra step, a waste of time, add more time to my routine and delay me from getting out the door. And I thought that they would make my skin feel like really super heavy, but this one does an amazing job at sinking into your skin and then pulling in that extra moisture from your body butter or body moisturizer. So 10 out of 10, recommend this. It's so good. And then last but certainly not least in their collection, and this is actually something I'm super excited about because I didn't think I would ever try them, but here we are. This is they sent me over their full lip kit. So all of the colors in their lip kit, you can buy these all together. The 4 colors are Alchemy, Elixir, Bliss, and Nectar. I'm currently wearing the Alchemy one just because it's a little bit of a darker tint, and I'll show you guys these in a second, but I love it. They're super glossy. These ones have 50 mgs of CBD in them, and they still have the jojoba seed oil. I think they still have the sunflower seed oil. So they're still packed with the botanicals, but it's a little less because it's a gloss, but they're amazing. They make my lips feel so nourished, and they actually give it a little bit of a plump and like make them feel a little bit juicy. So I'm gonna just show you what the colors look like. So this is the Alchemy. This is the one I'm wearing right now. And girlfriend, hold up. Ooh, you hear that? We're just gonna, hey, awesome. I mean, like, look at that. I'm loving this so far. I have definitely incorporated this gloss, this one specifically, but just like these glosses into my everyday makeup routine, and they layer so well on top of my Laneige lip balm, so it's utter perfection. But let me not get ahead of myself and show you the other ones. So then there is this color, which is Elixir, and I think it's such a beautiful, like, hot pink. And then we have here, I believe this color is Nectar, and it's like an orangey, like peachy color, so pretty. And then finally we have Bliss, which is just sort of, on me at least, this is like a neutral pale pink, and I think it's gorgeous as well. But like I said, I just personally go for like a darker lip, and I love that. But if you are looking to get into the CBD trend in your lip gloss or your lip care, this is definitely a good place to start. And I really think that you get such a bang for your buck with this kit. I believe it retails around like $80 or $85 for the 4 of them. And given the ingredients that you're getting and the high quality of the packaging and just the high quality of the product, in my opinion, like, it's such a good bang for your buck. So yeah, I mean, this line is phenomenal, and I am so thankful for St. Jane for sending me over the whole line and letting me try out these products. I didn't think that I could fall more in love with this company, especially because, might I add, it is all female company, like girl power. Just, you gotta support it. But yeah, I didn't think that I could love these products and this company even more, and here we are. Like, I will be using these till the end of time, and until, like, when I run out, I will instantly replenish. So that's it. That's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave a like, leave a comment below. Let me know if you try this line, or let me know, like, if you try the whole thing or just specific products. Just give them a try and let me know what you think, because I am always down to discuss these. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see a lot more skincare, a lot more lifestyle, a lot more me. Yeah, kidding. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.